Hello students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. This video is about study of specimens and identification with reasons. You are provided with specimens or slide, and you have to identify that specimen and you have to write the features. Okay. There are 12 slides or 12 specimens. I have given the diagram for each. The diagrams are label diagram and I have given features also. These are useful to your practicals and for writing features in journal. Okay. The number one specimen is Oscillatoria. The features are, it is filamentous cyanobacteria. It shows oscillating movements. They are single-celled organisms found in fresh water and dam soil. These are prokaryotic cells. Nucleus and membrane-bound organelles floats freely, and cell contains chlorophyll A along with phycocyanin, with which typically blue-green color to the algae. This phycocyanin pigment gives color to that algae, so it looks like blue-green. Okay, and with the help of chlorophyll A, the cell can perform function of photosynthesis. It reproduces asexually through fragmentation or formation of homogonia. Excess blooming can produce harmful toxins. Unbranched filaments are known as trichomes. Second type of specimen is about diatoms. Students, you know this is diatoms are found in fresh water also and marine water also. They found in moist terrestrial soil. The cell wall is of silica embedded with. They have nickname pearls of ocean or algae in glass house. They contain chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Chlorophyll A and C, it helps to perform function of photosynthesis. So cells are photosynthetic, and pigment fucoxanthin, which gives distinct color to algae, and these look like soap boxes. सोप बॉक्स आपण उघडतो आणि बंद करतो त्याप्रमाणे यांच्या मूवमेंट्स असतात. फूड इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फॅट्स और ऑइल. दे लॅक फ्लॅजेला and mostly they are non-motile. After death they forms diatomaceous earth. Asexual reproduction is by cell division and cell sexual reproduction is by oxospore formation, which are special cells in diatoms. Number 3 specimen is paramecium. See students, the figure of paramecium, how it looks like. It looks like स्लीपर शेप. चप्पलेच्या तळव्याप्रमाणेचा आकार आहे तुम्ही पाहाल तर. These are single cell eukaryotic, microscopic and characterized by thousands of cilia on cell wall. त्यांच्या सेल वॉल वरती खूप मोठ्या सिलिया असतात आणि या प्रोटेक्ट करतात ऑर्गॅनिझमला. They swim rapidly through the water due to cilia. They are sleeper shape. They possess an oral groove that uses cilia to sweep bacteria and organism into the gullet. These form food vacuoles where digestion takes place. These bacteria are carried out towards the food vacuoles and digestion takes place there in food vacuole. Okay. Waste is expelled through cytopract. Cytopract is anal aperture. Star shaped contractile vacuoles are found in two ends. They collect and pump the excess water out of cell and avoids cell bursting via osmosis. So the function of contractile vacuole हे तुम्हाला स्पष्ट झालं असेल की फंक्शन काय आहे. तर एक्सेस असलेलं वॉटर हे बाहेर टाकलं जातं आणि जितकं लागतं तेवढंच वॉटर हे ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये ठेवलं जातं. हे सगळं ऑस्मॉसिसच्या वाया होतात गोष्टी. देअर आर two nuclei, macronucleus and micronucleus. Micronucleus possess nuclear material, so sexual reproduction is by conjugation method due to micronuclei only, and these form two paramecia, and asexual reproduction is by binary fission. Macronuclei controls metabolic activity in the cell. These are the functions of nucleus. So this is about paramecium. Next specimen is agaricus. Students, agaricus is included in fungi. Agaricus, these are saprophytic, fleshy, some are cultivated edible mushrooms. They are umbrella like fruiting bodies. Free gills changes color. They grow in soil, dung, rich substrates and forest edges. They derive nutrients from decomposing and dead decaying matter. Cap is pileus. It is in convex to flattened shape. Gills are called as lamellae. Stem is called stipe. It is with distinct rings. Spores is part that differentiate them from other mushroom families. Reproduction is both sexually and asexually. I have given diagram and label to them. It is button mushroom. See the umbrella like structure and stalk like structure is there. Next slide is fruticose lichens. Students, this specimen is about Usnea barbata. Usnea barbata is example of fruticose lichen. It is also called as old man's beard. दाढी सारखं structure इथे दिसतं. It hangs in long threads, typically pale yellow, green, grey, green, greyish structures. It possesses 4 distinct layers. Usnic acid is obtained from Usnea barbata. These species are antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It primarily combats gram-positive bacteria, and extract of frequently used as an active ingredient in natural toothpaste, deodorants, sunscreens. These are uses of these lichens. Okay. Next specimen is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is one of the type of algae. It is green algae. This is microscopic unicellular green algae. It is widely found in fresh water, pond, dam soil and marine water. It has 2 anterior flagella for motility. That's why they can make locomotion and go here to there. Cup-shaped chloroplast used for photosynthesis. Cells are typically oval, spherical, and cell wall lacks cellulose. Pyrenoids responsible for starch synthesis and storage. Eye spot is photoreceptor, helps the cell sense towards the light. Contractile vacuoles are 2 located near base of flagella, expels excess of water and waste. It reproduces asexually by zoospore formation, and sexually is by isogamy and anisogamy or oogamy. These are methods of sexual reproduction. Okay, this is about Chlamydomonas. Next specimen is Sargassum. Students, Sargassum is also one of the typically found in free floating brown colored occur in tropical water. It forms mats. It occur in marine water. It provides shelter to sea turtles, crabs, and commercially important fish species. It consists of root-like holdfast. Reserve food is in the form of mannitol, a stem-like type, and numerous small tooth leaf-like fronds. Texture: the fronds are rough and sticky to touch. Air bladders present that provide buoyancy. Sargassum cell wall made up of arginate, fucose, and cellulose. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and sexual reproduction is by gamete formation. Okay, next slide is of Batrachospermum. Students, it is हायली ब्रँच मायक्रोस्कोपिक, हे आपल्याला डोळ्याला दिसू शकतं. मायक्रोस्कोपिक आहे. गॅमेटोफाइट थॅलस फाउंड इन फ्रेश वॉटर. इट हॅज सेंट्रल मेन ॲक्सिस अँड डिस्टिंक्ट branches of limited growth which form whorls of cells. Cell wall is of inner layer and outer layer. Inner layer is of cellulose and outer layer is of pectic compounds. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, D are present for photosynthesis, and pigments are present. They are phycoerythrin. Reserve food is Floridian starch. Asexual reproduction is by monospore formation and sexual reproduction is oogamous. These are the features of Batrachospermum. Students, next slide is Funaria. See the diagram. It is Funaria plant body has erect small axis differentiated into root-like, stem-like, leaf-like structures. Leaves are sessile ovate with midrib arranged spirally crowded at apex. Rhizoids are multicellular branch with oblique septa. The sporophyte is partially parasitic on gamophyte. It has three parts: foot, seta, and capsule. Sexual reproduction is by formation of male gamete antheridia and female gamete archegonia. Asexual reproduction is by vegetative propagation and spore formation. These are the features of Funaria. Next specimen is Nephrolepis. This is commonly called as fern plant. याला आपण फर्न प्लांट म्हणायचं किंवा नेफ्रोलिपिस म्हणतात. It is pteridophyte and vascular cryptogams. Plant body differentiated into root, that is rhizome, stem, leaf, that is frond. It grows in moist places. Well-developed xylem and phloem is present. Reproduction occurs by spore formation and not by flower seeds. Spores are produced in sporangia. Dominant phase is sporophyte and gametophyte is small. It is prothallus is heart shape. This is about fern plant. See the diagram. There are leaves and roots and stem, and there are sporangia on the leaves. You can see carefully the leaves of fern plant. Next specimen is Cycas. Plant body of Cycas is sporophytic. evergreen and woody. See the plant. From plant we can see how it is the plant grown. It is woody. Leaves are large, pinnately compound and arranged in crown at the apex. Cycas is gymnosperm. It is commonly called as living fossil, possess coralloid roots that contain cyanobacteria for nitrogen fixation. Male plant bears large male cone and female plant does not form any true cone, but it bears megasporophylls carrying ovules. Seeds are naked. Reproduction occurs through seeds. Fertilization involves motile sperms. So these are 12 slides and their diagrams. So students, if you like this video, then subscribe our channel for watching more videos. Thanks for watching.